What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You've read the title. Today we're going to be using some Chemical Guys products on my interior. I got black leather. I can't lie, it's been a while since I've actually used anything on it, but today I'm going to be using that product. I'm going to use it, show you how I use it. You know, hopefully nobody's online like, oh, you're doing it the wrong way, but whatever. I watched the video, and so I have an idea how to use it, how to apply it correctly. And after that, I'll give my review on it, and keep it short and sweet, man. I don't like to keep you guys here long. I like my videos short and sweet, to the point, because when I'm watching videos, I don't like shit dragging out. So without further ado, let's get to the video. All right, guys, we here. I'm going to be doing the passenger side seat. I don't know if you can pick it up in the camera. It does have a little blemish right here that's hard. Again, I bought the car used, so I mean, you know, it is what it is. But I want to keep it in the best condition possible. You know, it has some cracks on the side, but you know, it's still a good seat. It still holds up very well, and I still want to keep it in the best condition that I can possibly keep it in. So with that being said, the two products is the leather cleaner from Chemical Guys, and then they have the leather conditioner that you apply after you put the cleaner on there. You can pick this set up on Amazon for about, I think it's about $20. Yeah, it's $19.99, $20. And if you're a Prime dude or a Prime chick, you know, you can get that shipping free. So I got that 2-day shipping because, you know, I'm Amazon Prime. I buy everything off Amazon. I mean, who doesn't? But all right, we got the product right here. First things first, I don't care how long you've had it, you gotta shake it up, get the chemicals. You know, sometimes the chemicals settle at the bottom, so you want to shake it up. There's different ways you can apply it. Me, since this is a big piece, I'm just gonna spray it on and then wipe it. If it's a smaller piece, you might want to just, like, if you don't want to have overspray everywhere, you might want to just spray it on a microfiber towel first and then apply it. So first thing I'm gonna do, all right, is this on? All right, I just spray it everywhere. You know, remember, this is just a cleaner, so you don't gotta be too worried about, you know, if it's too much, because this is really just used just to clean. So you spray that on there. You know, you get a nice cookie microfiber towel. I like to fold mine in 4, so I fold it in 4, because then after that I use this one side, I can flip to this side, so I'm not just pushing the dirt around. I mean, the design of these towels is supposed to, you know, grab the dirt and debris off of the material that you're wiping, but I still like to fold it in 4. So you just fold it in 4, and then you just begin to wipe. No specific direction you gotta do, just pretty much put the product on there and rub it in. As far as my passenger seat goes, I mean, it shouldn't be that bad. I mean, it has been a while, but it shouldn't be that bad, because I don't really have people in my car like that. This really should just be a one-person vehicle. I don't really have people like that. So the bottom is wiped. So since I did it on that side, I'm gonna switch to this side for the top. So I don't want to, whatever dirt that was down there, I don't want to pull it up to the top part. Of course. Okay. All right. Well, I mean, my first opinion on the product, it does seem like it kind of, like, I ain't gonna say it dried it out, but it kind of gave it like a more of like I guess a more matte finish, or like a dry finish for the leather. It does feel like, it feels like when you first buy a car and it has like new leather in it. It feels like that. So I will say that it gives it that look, and it does feel a little bit softer, and it doesn't have that slippery feel, because a lot of these cleaners have, like, I don't know what they're doing, but they have like this slippery feel to it. And that's another thing that I learned also, just to throw this in there. If it says all purpose, I don't fuck with all purpose anymore, because I feel like products should have one goal, and I just don't believe that one product is just gonna do everything in one. I like how like Chemical Guys has this. This is what you use to clean. Then this is what you use to condition. And they also have another product we use as protectant. I don't have that product. I should have got that product, but I probably just order that product and then I'll make another video of me throwing that code on there, because after I clean this and condition it, it should be good for a while. But I'm not a fan of all-in-one products. I just don't believe the myth. But okay, so here is, hopefully the camera can pick it up. There's a lot sunny out right now. This is how the seat is looking right now. It's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty nice. I'm not even gonna lie. As it's dried out, I mean, of course I have my blemishes or whatever just wrong with the seat, but overall, I mean, it's looking pretty nice. So just to keep it short and sweet, after you clean it, you take another towel. We don't reuse towels over here. So I have a whole bag full. So you take another towel, and again, what you would do with this towel, right, is I like to fold it in 4 again, because you're supposed to use some applicator sponge or whatever. Oh, dang, that's a B7 rolling by. Sheesh. But yeah, let me roll these windows down. You're supposed to use the applicator pad. I don't have any applicator pads, so I'm just gonna fold my towel and dang, that shit is busting, boy. But yeah, I'm good. I'm sorry, I'm distracted, guys. Yeah, when I see another Audi, man, it's crazy over here. But fold it in 4. This is the leather conditioner. So this is supposed to, I guess, condition the leather, because you know leather is just it's a hide, it's skin, just like our skin. You have to, you know, if you want to protect your skin, you want your skin to look good, you want your skin to look healthy, you got to give it, you know, you got to feed it something, you know, like lotion. This is like lotion for it. So now with the cleaner, hopefully if the cleaner worked right, the pores are completely clear and it can accept this conditioner into the pores and make it look more healthy. So you just try to shake it up a little bit, and then I just drop a couple. Yeah, I just drop like $2, two quarter sizes on there, and then what I like to do is I just rub it together. This is a feature that you would have with the applicator pad, but I'm gonna just do a microfiber towel. So now that I rubbed it in, you see it kind of disappeared into the towel. What I'm gonna do is, what I like to do is just. This is where the technique for me comes in. What I like to do is, I like to go in one direction and apply it, so I can make sure that I'm applying it evenly. That's the main thing. I want to make sure that, you know, the product is getting on here evenly, and that I'm not missing any part of the leather. It is leaving it pretty shiny. Applicator pad would definitely be better, because this towel's like going everywhere right now. Okay. So I did the top half and I did the side bolsters. And you can see some stuff left on there, so I'm gonna flip it to the other side. I feel like it's drying out a little bit. Yeah. Rub that together. Oh shit, got some right here. Then we rub that together. Alright, now I'll apply it to the bottom half. Can't lie, the stuff goes on pretty smooth. So this is a very nice product so far. And unlike a lot of products, man, like, I don't know, the product game for cars is just getting out of control, like with the prices and stuff. But this is priced very well, and you can get it pretty fast. So this already got a thumbs up from me. But okay. Okay, so we applied that. So what I'm gonna do is flip it inside out. It's still a little shiny, so let me see if I can pick up any excess that I may have applied. flat to the seat. Alright. Okay. Alright guys. So pretty much right now, this is the finished product. It does look nice. It does look, with the conditioner, it makes it look more, I guess, rich and like color and stuff like that. But the cleaner pretty much looks like it just took all the dirt, debris, the body oil, because you know we have natural oils on top of, you know, the lotion and you know, everything that we put on our skin. So all of that gets absorbed into the leather. The cleaner pretty much seemed to draw all of that out, and then the conditioner just applied. It seemed like it applied that layer of lotion to it and protecting against the sun or whatever. But overall, man, the seat looks fantastic. So to me, I think this is a great product. Guys, that concludes this video. If you liked it, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, follow me on social media, all 3 things, and I'll catch you in the next video, guys.